Good morning, grade 9 students. How are you all doing today? Welcome to our new lesson. Let us start.
In an argumentative essay, your job is to make the reader agree with your opinion about a controversial topic. These are the things that you have to do for you to be able to get a reader agree with your argument. First is to state your opinion. Second is to give reasons to support your opinion. Number 3, argue against the opposite opinion. Next, you have to convince the audience that your side of the argument is correct. And for it to be balanced, you must include your viewpoint and the opposing viewpoint or counter argument. A good argumentative essay attempts to persuade readers to understand, support your point of view about the topic by stating your reasoning and providing evidence to back it up. Now let us learn the 5 types of argument claims. First is fact, whether the statement is true or false. Next is the definition, the dictionary definition of what you're arguing plus your own personal interpretation of it. Next is value, the importance of what you're arguing. Next is cause and effect, what causes the problem and what effects it has. The last one is policy, why you should care and what you should do about it after reading. Again, these are the 5 types of argument claims. Now let us move on to the structures of a good argumentative essay. The first one is introductory paragraph. The first paragraph of your essay should outline the hook as the first sentence that serves to capture readers' attention and help them decide if they want to continue reading your text. Provide background information necessary to understand your argument and outline the evidence that you will present, then state your thesis. A thesis statement is the part of your first paragraph. It is a concise, one-sentence summary of your main point and claim. It's the most important part of your argumentative essay. To write a thesis statement, be guided by the following steps. First is to turn the topic into a question and answer it. Set up a big question in the title of your essay or within the first few sentences. Then, build up to answering that question in your thesis statement. Next is to state an argument and then refute it. Introduce an idea that contrasts with your belief and immediately explain why you disagree with it. Lastly is briefly outline your main points. Introduce your main points and explain how you'll back it up. This is an example of a broad thesis statement and a specific thesis statement. And these are some examples of thesis statements about different topics. The next part of an argumentative essay is the body paragraph. Each body paragraph should cover a different idea or piece of evidence and contain a topic sentence that should clearly and concisely explain why the reader should agree with your position. Body paragraphs are where you back up your claims with examples, research, statistics, studies, and text citations. This is an example of a body paragraph. Lastly is the conclusion. It is one paragraph that restates your thesis and summarizes all your arguments made in your body paragraphs. Rather than introducing new facts or more arguments, a good conclusion will appeal to readers' emotions. These are some transition words that you can use in your conclusion.
For your performance task, this is what you are going to do. And for your summative test, this is what you are going to do. Wow! Another lesson has just ended. I hope everything is clear about argumentative essay. Again, I am Krisha Espanola saying thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!